as a present to myself for my birthday, and I think it's very useful because I love cleaning. It's one of my favorite things to do, and Baris is allergic to dust. That's why we are very perfect for each other. So I'm very glad. I love this. Yeah.
Sige ganda. Namahirapan. Masih ini pakai.
Oh, there.
That's old, very old.
Very old?
Very old, 2004.
Ah, 2004.
I'm older.
Yeah. Do you clean in your house too? Many garbage?
So we need to ask the barangay to take the garbage because once a week I think they take the garbage from every houses.
We will ask.
Yeah.
Because already many garbage. I here have an hour the garbage, something
Yeah,
like boxes and
Yeah,
something.
the garbage from house.
Now we want to go to local market. We will see it first time and we will buy something, maybe fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will go without helmet because it's very near.
Yeah.
Seeing my brother join the league, it really means a lot.
Thank you, bro. I think it means a lot to all of us.
Asa ka dapat yun? Siargao? Sa Seoul ini. Ano? Di bangun.
I can open it sila. Is okay?
Okay?
Any
What is the better?
Wala na na paligid-area. Dahil lang?
Tapos na dito sa hindi kami ko na nandun namin tao.
Ah,
Nai-display sa
display na. Now we're going to pick sweet potato top on our yard. It's great.
Мunda прийняла красання барину. Мunda прийняла.
Да, блин, собирает листья сладкого картофеля. Она их будет готовить.
I did it in sinigang. And I'm also going to take lemongrass.
Okay, bawas magay.
Smells so good. This is very good for soup and for tea. It's very healthy, and we have many in our yard.
замечаю, здесь часто проезжают машины с древесиной, большие такие деревья. Я думаю, что это фальката. Ее используют на древесину, выращивают. Ну, Тарлин, ты готовила бану, овощи, суп. Это суп.
It's mixed together, but I just separated them.
Mag-songs advance and see action para di na lumala ang buhay.
Choco Lucha cookies. Stick chocolate between two choco cookies.
Today, we will witness another love story and long-distance relationship with a happy ending. We are going to Agusan Sur to attend one of our supporters' wedding. He is Russian and she is Filipina. In the last episode, we spent an amazing day in Negros Island, and we had an interesting trip back to Mindanao. We get to visit them a day early and get to see the wedding preparations. The bus ride will take about 3 hours. The bride and groom will be waiting for us at the bus station. Vladimir is one of the subscribers of our Russian language YouTube channel, Zizin na Ostrave. His bride's name is Sweetie. Sweetie's neighbor, Ryan, will help us get to their barangay with his car.
По дороге мы иногда останавливаемся и подбираем еще попутчиков, пока там еще завелись.
Isa na lang yung balay. Awala yung balay.
Baby River!
Забрали.